Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to determine if a number is positive, negative or 0 using if-else statement. We will see the demo. I am declaring a variable n equal to integer of input of enter a number. Enter a number. So the input statement display the string enter a number in the console to the user. When user enter a number, the input statement receive the number as a string that is converted into integer by using this int function and stored it in the variable n. Now I am writing a if-else statement. If n greater than 0, in the if statement n greater than 0, the condition is true, the control will come to the if block. So for the if block, we have to give a indentation, tab space. So it shows the statement which you are going to write is in the scope of the if statement. Here I am printing print n, the value of the variable n will get printed and followed by a string is a positive number. When this condition n greater than 0 is true, the statement inside the if block will get executed. For the if block, we have to give if statement followed by the condition and we have to give a colon. So if n greater than 0, it will print the n, that means value of the variable n will get printed and will print a string is a positive number. So n is a positive number. The value of the variable n is a positive number is our output. If the condition is false, I am writing a else statement. So when n greater than 0 is false, the control will come to the else part. So inside the else part, I am writing another if-else statement. This is known as a nested if-else statement. Here I am checking if n less than 0 and colon. If this condition is true, I am printing print the value of the variable n. I am giving a variable name n, comma a string is a negative number. So if n less than 0, condition is true, we get output n, that means value of variable n followed by the string is a negative number. Else statement, this is the else of the inner if statement. If this condition is false, then statement under the else part will get executed. I am printing print n, comma string is 0. So value of the variable n will get printed followed by the string is 0. So we'll see the program once again. I am obtaining an input from the user and convert it into integer and storing it in the variable n. I am checking n greater than equal to 0. If this condition is true, the statement under the if block will get executed. I am getting a result n is a positive number. The value of the variable n is the positive number is my output. If n greater than 0 is false, the control will come to the else part. So I am giving else colon here, and in the else part I am writing another if else. This is known as a nested if else statement. Here if n less than 0, if this condition is true, I am printing print n is a negative number. The value of the variable n is the negative number is my output. Even n less than 0 is false, the control will come to the else statement. This is the else of the inner if else statement. So this is known as a outer else. Okay. So inner if else statement, if n less than 0 is false means the statement will get executed. The value of variable n is 0. So this is the program. We are going to execute the program and check the output. Enter number n, I am giving 5. I am getting 5 is a positive number. I am going to execute a program again. I am giving minus 10. So I am getting an output 10 is a negative number. So here what happens? It will check minus 10. Minus 10 greater than 0 is false. The control will come to the else part. It will check minus 10 less than 10. The control will come to else part to check minus 10 less than 0. The condition is true, it will print. Okay, the value of the variable n minus 10 is a negative number. Now I am going to execute the program again. Now I am giving 0. So 0 is my output. So here it will check 0 greater than 0 false. The control will come to the else part. In the else part, it will go to the first if statement 0 less than 0. This is also false. The control will come to the else part and print the value of the variable n. That means 0 followed by a string is 0. The program is working perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.